So hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate TransDecoder tool to detect the coding region of the transcript. So in TransDecoder, identify the coding region from the transcript, mostly in the de novo transcript from the Trinity, or it can construct based the RNA-seq alignment from the genome using string trie. In the workflow, there is typically two steps. One is TransDecoder.LongOrfs followed by the TransDecoder prediction. In selection criteria in this tool, there is something like minimum length of ORF, top coding score of the first reading frame, and some optional preform domain matching uh, significance. And it can apply in the protein coding sequence assembly transcript, and this tool is available in Bioconda Galaxy and the GitHub. So in this video I'll show first how to convert the nucleotide sequence into the long ORF sequence, and we'll build some index. In the second step, this index and the long ORF will be used for the transdecoder prediction to predict the coding region, and will make the prediction fasta file. To do it, you have to just go and type in Google TransDecoder and enter. So here is the GitHub site, just directly go into it, and so from here you can just download zip. So it is 15 MB of size. Download is complete, and let's check it. So here is the downloaded file, and I already have the Saccharomyces cerevisiae with Trinity FASTA file. So here is the FASTA list of FASTA file. I want to just check the coding potential of this sequence. So first you have to extract it. After extraction, let's open the terminal. So here you can see it is the pre-compile tool, so you can use it directly. /transdecoder. First I will use the long ORF and enter. So here is the total usage of this tool. You can just save it. So let's do it with my FASTA file. So first clear it, and I'm going to first TransDecoder L. So first it will collect the long ORF file for our data. So -t, this is our, okay, I just forget, I am keeping this file into this working TransDecoder directory. So now the file is Saccharomyces cerevisiae Trinity FASTA file. Then come -m, the minimum length of amino acid. So I'm entering 100 amino acid, should be the 100 amino acid. It means almost 300 nucleotide long read will be considered for the coding region. Then double dash genetic code. So here we have to select genetic code. So just go to the node. You can see there is the available genetic code. You can use any of this according to your organism. So here I am just using the universal genetic code. So I'm pressing the universal genetic code and let's enter. So it is doing its job. Okay, so it is done. Let's check it in directory. So here you can see it is our input file, and it also made one directory file here as output. So there is the longest ORF peptide. So it will set the longest ORF. So it is not a prediction, it will just selecting the longest ORF that could be a possible coding region. So the next command will be for the prediction. So let's clear it through predict it dot slash TransDecoder and predict. So here I am also using the same fasta file as input. So here in my case Saccharomyces cerevisiae Trinity fasta. So you have to just write this command. Be careful that this command also use this directory information data to predict your coding region. So first you have to make this output, and after that this coding. So let's enter. So all run is done. Let's check it, the file. So here you can see several file is generated due to this command, and here is the CDS. Let's check the CDS first. Okay, let's find and the tree. So here you can see the 7100 almost sequence are predicted as a CDS, and here is the bed file for all prediction, and it is the GFF3 file of predicted coding region. And you can also use the peptide format, means amino acid sequence, with this TransDecoder. So it is the whole tutorial of the TransDecoder. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.